Hello, welcome back to my training. Today I'm going to be explaining you what is a curtain grid and a mullion in Revit. Let's continue with the video. As you see here, curtain grids are used to divide the curtain wall and the mullions are associated with the curtain wall. Curtain grids and mullions we can do it with a different type. One with the system family edit type, second one by using these two tools. I'm going to show you how. Now I'm going to draw a curtain wall. Let's say I'm going to take this wall as a curtain wall. So select the wall, or if you are creating a new wall, take wall and in the property select curtain wall and then start drawing. In case if you are already having a curtain wall, and change the properties to curtain wall. Now you can see this is just a plain wall. There is no grid or mullion. I'm going to plan just to keep it neat, just to keep this as neat. I'm just going to extend the wall. Okay, so let's extend the other wall also. It looks better now. To create a curtain grid, you can take this curtain grid tool and then here you have to select any of the tool, all segment, one segment, all except picked. I can show you how it works. All segment, for example, I'm going to select, and here if I go closer to the horizontal line, then it creates a vertical grid. If I go closer to the vertical line, it is creating a horizontal grid. So this is how you can create horizontal and vertical grid. After creating the grid, you can realign them. For example, so I'm going to level 1. Let's take a section here, right click, go to view. So this is my wall edge and this is my curtain grid. So after creating the grid, I can rearrange all the curtain grids. For example, I'm going to annotate, take aligned dimension, select the edge to edge and select all the grids. Select and press equal. You can see all the grids are equal now. The same way, bottom to top, and you can select and keep them equal. In case if you want to set any dimension, then first you have to select a dimension and then set this dimension to 2200 for the door. In case if you want to remove the grid, select the grid and here remove segment. If you want to remove only one small segment, then you can click here and click here. Only one small segment got removed. If you want to remove the entire grid, then go here, select the grid and delete. So this is how you can create your curtain grid. Once the curtain grid is created, then you can put mullion here. To assign mullion, go to architecture, take mullion tool, then you have to choose which mullion family you need. Then you can select, then here you can see here placement, all grid. If you select, in one shot you can place all the grid mullions. I'm going to undo. In case if you want to place it for each single line, then you can take grid line and select each line. And if you want to place for one single segment, you can select and you can place here. So your curtain wall is created now. If you want to modify anything, you can modify. Even after placing mullion, you can select the mullion and you can delete. You can select the grid and you can delete entire grid, and you can modify however you want. Okay, and I'm going to show you the second type. So we can automate this grid type. For example, I'm going to take a wall. I'm going to take curtain wall. Okay, let's say this is my curtain wall, and I want this curtain wall to be divided vertically with the 2 meter fixed distance. So that one I can set in the edit type. To set curtain grid concept in wall, select the wall, go to edit type, duplicate and create a new type. Now here you can see vertical grid and horizontal grid. So here you have to set fixed distance 2 meter, and then horizontal also you can select maximum spacing. Let's say maximum spacing 2 meter and say OK. So once you set the formula or the concept, then the curtain grids will get created automatically. If you want to modify, you can modify. To modify, you have to unpin and then delete. So the grid you cannot delete, but you can move the grid. If you want to pin, then it will go to the original place. To assign mullion here, select the same and go to edit type. Then here in the mullion, vertical mullion, select any type. To select from here, you have to import the mullion before you do it. So here for the interior border 1 and border 2 I have selected, and if I say apply, and now here you can see this mullion got applied. For the horizontal mullion, select the wall, go to edit type. For horizontal mullion, then you have to choose here. Let's keep the same mullion and say OK. Now you can see horizontal and vertical mullions are applied. So once you create the type, in the next time you can take the wall and choose the wall type, and you can just draw. If you just draw the wall, then your grid and mullion will get generated automatically. Once it is created, you can remove the mullion in case if you want. You can change the system panel type if you don't like it. I think now you have understood how to divide a glass wall with the curtain grid and how to assign mullion. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.